All new at 6:30 as kids start heading back to school. It can sometimes be a challenge, right, to get them to engage with the learning material, especially coming off summer vacation. But it's probably not hard to get students interested in a program at Temecula Valley High School, which uses the Wilson Creek Winery as a classroom. In this morning's Tony in Your Town, I'm taking you to Temecula. Paige Bucalo is an abatement falconer at Wilson Creek Winery in Temecula. She walks through the vineyard with a hawk or falcon to scare away any little birds that show up to eat the grapes. It's one of the many natural solutions to the winemaking industry.
Compared to using things like poisons or netting that can really harm the environment, using a trained raptor just utilizes those little birds' natural fear of a predator. So it's completely, no harmful impact on the environment.
These natural solutions are part of the winery's cutting-edge regenerative agriculture program, led by vineyard manager Greg Pennyroyal.
The field that I'm in, what used to be called organic agriculture, it's now better named regenerative agriculture. You learn to observe and see what the environment's telling you, not what you wish the environment was doing.
Greg is passionate about teaching these skills to the next generation, which is why he's also a viticulture professor at Mount San Jacinto College and advisor to the Regenerative Ag Club and Career Technical Education Program at Temecula Valley High School. They come to the winery every week to learn more.
Every year, these students surprise me with how clever they are, how inquisitive they are, how optimistic they are, and how smart they are.
Like senior Cole Osborne, an intern at the winery, who hopes to one day make a career out of it.
Teaching the generation to respect our land and teach them the proper process of farming.
For winery owner Bill Wilson, it all makes sense. As he celebrates the winery's 25th anniversary, he knows innovation is what will help them last the next 25 years.
If I can grow better grape with less inputs and have a better quality wine that I can sell, win, win, win. And I'm improving nature, win, 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 win. Yeah.
So Philip Palmer, he went down there 3 years ago when this program first started. And so now to see it just blossoming and becoming a real big thing, it's Temecula. These kids grew up there and now they're getting to work on the future of
the wine industry has become a huge part of that community.
Hands-on learning, I like it.
If you have any ideas when it comes to Tony in Your Town, send it to me, find me, and we'll do something cool with it.
Yeah. Let's talk about the weather. Leslie Lopez, how things look right now.
I have a couple towns for you, Tony.
Oh.